Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Alma. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. This is the makeup look I created today. I wanted to do a festive December Christmassy look for any occasion, and I hope you guys like it. Stay tuned and enjoy my video. Thank you guys so much. Hope you like it. Hi everybody, welcome, and let's get started with our new makeup video. Okay, so I already primed my face. The moisturizer I used today, it's the oil-free antioxidant facial moisturizer by Trader Joe's. This one right here, I love it. And I primed by spraying the Fix Plus by MAC, and I'm gonna go in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. And I'm gonna apply it with this sponge. Okay, so my cat's in the tree somewhere, and Lily's trying to get to it, but he's trying to get away from her, and she just keeps climbing it. I swear. Story of my life. I think this is an e.l.f. sponge, if I'm not mistaken. I do remember I got it at Target. So there's that. I like this sponge. Okay, I jumped ahead of myself, but I'm using the concealer by e.l.f., the Camel Concealer, and I'm just putting a little bit around my eyes and the center of my face and underneath my eyes, of course. And I'm gonna go ahead in with the sponge and tap it in. Now I'm gonna go in with the powder by L'Oreal, the True Match. This one right here, and take my little powder puff and pick some up. And I'm gonna set my lids. I'm just tapping it in. Okay, so I went ahead and contoured and everything. I powdered my face. I used the True Match, the one I showed you guys right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and go in with these palettes. I'm gonna use them both. They're the MAC Art Library. This one's called It's Designer. And it has all these nice colors. And the reason why I'm picking this one out is because it has like these gold ones. And I wanted to do like a festive Christmassy like look that you can use for this time around. And then right here, this one's called the Flame Buoyant. I think that's what it's called. Flame, and it has a B. It looks like a Q, but I could have sworn it's a Boyant. Yeah, and this has like beautiful fall colors, so I want to pull this one out. I'm gonna start off with this one. So I'm gonna get a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go in with these two colors right here. Here, this one and this one. So this one's called Samoa Silk, and this one is called Dada Issues. It's like a light and dark brown. So I'm gonna use that for my transition color. I'm gonna place this on my crease. Right underneath the tip of my brow, the front or middle, and then I'm gonna drag it upwards towards my brow, but not quite touching it. And just keep working that color in. Okay, and with the same brush, I'm gonna pick up this like darker color. I don't know, it's like a burnt, like brown reddish. This one right here. That one is called, I think it's called Dallywood. All the colors that I'm choosing right now are all matte, and I'm gonna place that one out here. Okay, and this is how it looks so far. Now I'm gonna get a skinnier brush, and I'm gonna get the even darker color. This one right here. This one, I think it's called Embark. Okay, I'm just gonna tap it on the tip of the brush, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just keep it on this area here. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick up the smudge brush. This one's by Real Techniques. I'm gonna get that darker color that I used, and I'm just gonna use that at the end here, on the bottom end of my lash line. Okay, with the same brush, I'm gonna pick up.
Mommy, I'm gonna start cutting a tree all right there.
This one's called Dallywood, and I'm gonna use that to even out the color on both sides, the top and the bottom. I'm gonna get my fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go in with this reddish color right here. That one is called Louvre at First Sight. I think it means love at first sight, and it's a matte color. So I'm gonna pick that up with my brush. I don't know, I just wanted more reddish here. I'm just gonna place it on top of that dark color. And I'm just dragging whatever's left of it to the center. Pick some more up and do the other side. Okay, now I'm picking up the colorful palette, and I'm thinking of going in with this one. It's called It's Designer, or yeah, It's Designer. It's a gold, like a copper gold. This one seems more like a gold. This one's like a, you know, tanner kind of gold. But I like the color, so I'm gonna pop it right there. I think it looks beautiful.
Stop it, stop it, stop it. Ay! It gets ripped out.
It looks beautiful. Okay, so I just placed my mascara and some lashes. The lashes I'm using today are the Kiss Shy. And I picked these out because they're very subtle and they don't, you know, overpower the eye look. They're not too long or anything. They're just right. See? I really like these lashes when I want like a, you know, some more extra. He's funny. Okay, and for blush, I'm gonna pick up this color by L'Oreal. It's called Confident Pink, and look how beautiful. I know, I've been obsessed over this color lately. I'm very lightly testing it on because it's very potent. I'm gonna go in with my powder brush. It doesn't have anything. I'm just what am I doing? I'm just diffusing it because I feel like it went a little overboard. And also like there's a harsh line here from it. So I'm just diffusing that harsh line on my cheeks. Okay, and let's move on with the lips. Okay, I'm gonna pick up this lip liner. It's by Rimmel. It's called Brownie Pie, and it's a cute brown color. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand so you guys can see it. Here. I guess. I just want to make sure it's like in the frame. And it's a dark brown or brown color. Okay, so I kind of fill them in on the outer corners and a little bit on the top. And I'm going to pick up this neutral nude color. It's called Send Nudes. It's by the Liquid Catsuit by Wet n Wild. I don't know, am I holding it right? This one right here, and it's a really cute nude color. I haven't used it in a long time. So let's place test, see how it looks. I have to clean this now. Before I clean it, I'm gonna get my little lip brush right here. Where is it? This is a lip brush, a lip smudge brush. It's by by Real Techniques. And I'm just gonna blend both colors in together.
Mommy,
Oh.
okay? She climbed in there.
Okay. There it is. I mixed both colors in, but I kept the outline of the lips. And this is my complete look. I was gonna do one of these by Sephora, but I'm like, whoa, it's too much. I already have like the eyes going like reddish, like a cranberry red color, and I wanted the lips to be a little more neutral. So that's why I decided for this lip combo, but I think it looks really nice. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys own this? Have you guys tried this makeup? Mega Last Liquid Catsuit by Wet n Wild. I really love it. And also I wanted to mention I'm gonna have a lip liner swatch on my TikTok later on today. I purchased these lip liners on TikTok Shop. So I got these Italian lip liners, and I'm gonna be doing swatches on all of them. I pretty much got these for $18 with a discount on TikTok Shop. They compared to the MAC. They're supposedly dupes for the MAC ones. And I have a couple of the MAC, maybe like 3 MAC ones. And I can't wait to give them a try. So go ahead and check out my TikTok. I didn't want to use them today because I wanted to do a first impression on TikTok. Because I did buy them there on the shop. But yeah, follow me on TikTok if you don't, so you can check that out. And thank you guys so much for joining me today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my video. I love the way this look came out. I'm ready for the day, and this was a beautiful moment for me, a little pampering moment. And I think the Glam, the makeup came out really great. Thank you guys so much. If you don't follow me, go ahead and click the button and follow me, and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for all my returning subscribers. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next video.